In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your position with Ubersuggest data. Let's dive right into it, starting with finding the right keywords for your content. Head over to Ubersuggest and type in a topic keyword that is relevant to your niche. Once you've done that, take a look at the search volume and SEO difficulty ratings for those keywords. You'll want to select keywords that are easy to rank for, meaning they have high search volumes but relatively low SEO difficulty scores. This strategic choice sets the foundation for maximizing your visibility in search engine results. Now, let's move on to generating even more keyword ideas. Within Ubersuggest, there's a handy keyword ideas section where you can find related keywords, questions people are asking, and valuable long-tail keywords. Incorporate these into your content to enhance its relevance and widen the net for potential traffic. Next up, it's time to investigate your competitors. By entering a competitor's website into Ubersuggest, you can uncover their top pages and keywords. This provides crucial insights into topics and strategies that you can capitalize on. It will also help you identify areas where you can perform better, potentially gaining an edge over your competition. Our fourth step focuses on optimizing your SEO. Use the SEO Analyzer tool within Ubersuggest to assess your website's health. Look out for slow-loading pages, broken links, and missing meta tags, as these can significantly impact your search engine rankings. Ensure that your chosen keywords are effectively incorporated into titles, headings, and throughout your content for optimal SEO results. Another important strategy is building backlinks. See which sites are linking to your competitors and try to acquire links from similar sources. Backlinks from reputable sites signal to search engines that your content is credible, which can considerably boost your rankings. Finally, it's vital to track your progress over time. Utilize the rank tracking feature in Ubersuggest to monitor whether your keywords are moving up or down in search results. Regularly update your content and refine your strategy based on this data. Keeping an eye on your rankings will help you stay competitive and ensure that your efforts in improving your position are fruitful. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your visibility and success in the digital landscape. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep optimistic.